Hello everyone. Another very popular chart on matplotlib is the bar chart. We will use the bar function where we define the position of the bars on the x-axis and their height on the y-axis. So let's start with an example. Import matplotlib.pyplot is the module of matplotlib library. Give an alias name as plt. X is the variable which contains some elements as a list, that is 5, 8 or 10. Another variable y contains the element 12, 16 and 6. Now let's create bar chart. For this we have to use bar function. Just pass your parameters, that is x or y, and plt.show, so you can display your bar chart. So here you can see the value of x is 5 and the height on y is 12. The next element on x is 8 and on y is 16. So it will create these bars. You can also define title for this bar. That is bar chart. You can define x label and y label by using x label function of pyplot, that is x-axis, plt dot y label for y-axis. So here you can see the title and the x label and for y label. You can also increase the width or you can change the width of your bars by using width attribute. For example, here I am using 0.01. So you can see the width of these bars has been decreased. So using width attribute you can change the width of your bars. If you want to change colors of these bars, for this you can use color equals to, there are 3 bars. The first bar will be displayed in red color. The second bar will display in black color. K is used for black color and Y for yellow color. Let's see the changes. So here you can see all the bars are now in different colors. You can also draw a bar chart in horizontal manner. For this you can use bar h function, which will draw a bar chart horizontally. Okay, it will not support width function. So just remove this width attribute from here. Again run your file. So here you can see, here is your horizontal bar chart. Now let's take another example, how to plot two list elements using bar chart. Let's change some elements here, 2, 4, 6, 8 or 10, and in Y 6, 7, 8, 2 or 4. Next is x2 equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Y2 equals to 7, 8, 2, 4, 2. So you can draw your bar chart X or Y. Let's change some labels. Label equals to, for bar 1, bars 1, change its alignment equals to center, color equals to red, and same statement you can use for variable x2 or y2. x2, y2, label that is bars 2, and let's change its color, green, plt dot legend. So it will create a label with bars 1 or bars 2. Now let's run the program. So here you can see X or Y, the first bars will be displayed and second bars will displayed in green color, and first one is for red color. So like this you can create or plot two list elements using bar chart. Here is your legend and their labels. So that's all about bar chart. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, you may write an email. Thank you.